Hey guys, so now we are going to the Cup Noodle Museum. It's quite chilly today. Got a matcha green tea latte. I need to be very careful not to drop this. It's really hot though. Shortly after I said this happened.
That should be really good. Oh, Alyce. Come on.
Sorry. Hold this for me please.
Yeah,
I wet myself.
you did.
I have no comment.
You pull the trousers. Pull the
Alyce wet herself.
Bear in mind, I was at the Asahi factory right before this, so I may have been a bit tipsy. So we're finally at the Instant Ramen Museum. If you ever come here with a brolly, you can always lock it up with one of these umbrella locks. This is the famous ramen tunnel, a display of all sorts of instant ramen and cup noodles. Nissan is known for the creation of their chicken ramen, hence their mascot is a cute little chick. Here's the cup noodle factory area where you get to create your very own cup noodles. We will come back here a bit later. We're going to pop to the tasting room for some food first. Inside the tasting area, you will find plenty of vending machines that sell a variety of cup noodles. Some of these instant ramen are exclusively sold in certain areas of Japan. You can try as many as you like by purchasing them from these machines. I went for a cheese tomato one. Once you've collected your noodles, pop over to the hot water dispenser where you can add hot water to your cup noodles. Be careful, it's very hot. Time to make our own cup noodles! Yay! The very first thing you need to do is purchase an empty cup from one of these vending machines. Next, you need to sanitize your hands with this super cool looking hand sanitizer machine. Now you can start designing your cup at the table with some colour felt tip pens. Can you guess what I'm drawing? Ta-da! When you finish designing your cup, you can take it over to the cup noodle corner where you can choose different toppings for your cup noodles. After picking your toppings for your cup noodles, it will go through a sealing process. Ta-da! And here we have it, a personalized cup noodles. We're not done yet. Here is the pumping station where you create an air cushion to protect your one-of-a-kind cup noodle. You need to place your cup noodles into a transparent bag and then use the pumps to fill it up with air. You can slowly watch your cup noodles turn into a giant bubble. Now let's have a peek at their souvenir shop. So that's my day at the Cup Noodle Museum. I'll see you guys next time.